Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I want to introduce one of the most advanced and specialized training packages, Advanced Marine Offshore and Defense Engineering in Abaqus. If you are a marine engineer, offshore engineer, naval architect, a structural engineer, researcher, master or PhD student, or an Abaqus user looking to move into advanced simulation, this package has been designed specifically for you. Why this package is important? Uh, Marine and offshore engineering are among the most challenging area of the computational engineering. Structural operation in water are exposed to conditions that are very different from conventional structure and loads. Wave, ocean currents, buoyancy, hydrodynamic forces, fluid structure interaction, ice, impact, and underwater shock can all affect the behavior of the structure. And when we move toward extreme events such as underwater explosion, high speed impact, or severe ice interaction, the simulation becomes even more challenging. The problem often requires advanced numerical methods rather than conventional finite element analysis. This is exactly where Abaqus becomes a powerful engineering and research tool. Uh, what makes this package particularly valuable is that it doesn't focus on just one type of marine problem. It brings together several important areas of the advanced simulation: offshore hydrodynamics, fluid structure interaction, smooth particle hydrodynamic, coupled Eulerian Lagrangian, underwater explosion and UNDEX, acoustic structure interaction, ice structure interaction, marine impact on water entry, naval and defense related applications. Together, these topics create a much broader learning path for anyone interested in advanced marine and offshore simulation. One of the most important things about advanced simulation is understanding that there is no single numerical method that is ideal for every engineering problem. For example, offshore rises and structure may require a specialized hydrodynamic loading approach. Highly deformable fluid problem may benefit from SPH. Problem using severe deformation fluid interaction or explosion may require CEL or Eulerian method. An underwater shock problem can require acoustic structural coupling or other specialized dynamic approach. Uh, Here, as you can see, we have 18 uh, workshops in this package, and the first group is offshore structure. Here we have the first workshop in Abaqus AQUA about the offshore rises, the group of the offshore rises under the wave and currents in the ocean, in the water, and you can see here the wave and the formation of riser. In the second, we have another type of the wave, and you can see here the force, the wave, the hydrodynamic pressure, structure, the formation, and everything here. And the second type is the SPH model for barrier, the third workshop. Here we have a barrier non-Newtonian fluid, almost uses for the offshore structure impact, and you can see here this is the barrier and this is the water, and also ice water interaction in interaction with a structure. Both here we have a ship moving through the icy water. Here we have ice and water. Ice is modeled water and ice is modeled as the SPH model, and we use boundary to move the ship through this ice layer. One of and we have also two CFD model for the uh, a body with flexible tail under the current, and the second is the beam under the air current or air velocity. And you can see that the formation, both are the FSI or fluid structure model. One of the strongest aspects of this package is to focus on the underwater explosion. You can see the examples here. Uh, an explosion products an extremely rapid pressure wave that propagates through water and interact with nearby structure. Uh, the resulting response can involve a very high loading rate, strong fluid structure interaction, large deformation, shockwave propagation, and many other things. These types of simulations are highly relevant to naval engineering, marine structure, subsea uh, infrastructure, and defense-related research. And we have also, besides this explosion, the marine impact model. Another important area covered by the package is ice interaction and marine impact. Ships and offshore structure operating in cold and Arctic environments can encounter ice while marine, here you can see, this is the ice breaking, while marine vehicle and structure may also experience severe impact and water entry conditions. The package therefore gives you exposure to advanced simulation involving ice breaking, ice structure interaction, impact water interaction, and highly nonlinear dynamic response, plus that Abaqus AQUA and SPH analysis. Uh, but there is another important reason why we create this package. We wanted it to be helpful not only for the engineer who want to improve their Abaqus skill, but also for students and researchers. If you're looking, if you are working on a master or PhD project, journal paper, or numerical research project, starting a complex Abaqus model from zero can be extremely time consuming. You need to understand the geometry, material interaction analysis, step boundary condition, meshing strategy, numerical fitting, and output request. The workshop in this package provide practical examples that can help you understand how these advanced models are constructed. You can study the methodology, reproduce the analysis, and then use that knowledge as a foundation for developing your own models. Each workshops in this package includes CAE INP codes for the material, step-by-step video tutorial, and reference paper when available. This package is especially suitable for marine engineer, offshore engineer, naval architect, structural and mechanical engineering, FEA and CAE engineer, simulation specialized, master and PhD student, university researcher, and professional working with marine, offshore, naval, subsea, impact, blast, or fluid structure interaction. The purpose of the package is to help you expand your Abaqus capabilities into more advanced engineering applications. And at the end, here we have the payment section. The price of the package for the offshore marine and defense package is 143 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies. Uh, Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the payment method, the content of the package, or anything that you need to know. There we will available to answer all your questions through this email. For now, thank you for your attention.